For those of you interested in how the pages on the website work, I'll show you briefly an outline of that now. Pages are stored on the left hand side of the screen, and again we'll load a very similar list table view like so. These can also be searched through the search facility here. Let's say for example you're trying to edit a trail information page. You can just click search after editing that text there. I already have one open, so I'll just skip straight ahead to this. We're looking at the Cleveland Way information page. So by clicking edit, you're already in a familiar editing area. Here you see the title at the top. On the right hand side we also have very familiar update and publish areas here, and we do have a similar trail information select box too. If we look at the front end of the website by clicking on the view page link, I'll just move over to another tab. We'll see that these pages are built in a very modular way. Now the order of these pages are currently very similar, but as we add more information to the site, there is the flexibility for this to grow without empty gaps being left on trails that are left behind. You see here we have a banner area, some centralized text, a complex section here of tabbed content, an interactive mapping area, itineraries, and then finally a call to action. This is represented in the administration area of the site through these top settings which control the content that sits on that banner, the image, whether or not we should show the banner text as black or white text, and whether or not we should show the tagline on the front image here, Get Closer to England, by selecting this label as yes or no. We then have, if I just close that first box here, a selection of draggable sections which appear on the front end of the website. Clicking into one of these will allow us to edit it. We see here that the title of each section is shown in bold on the heading of each panel, and the type of content is shown after the vertical pipe character. So we see here we have a text area, a tabbed area, text, a mapping area, the itineraries, and then a call to action strip. I can click into any of these to learn more about the content contained within. So here we have the title and introduction for the itineraries. Here we do not have them manually ticked because these are pulled in automatically. Again, on the call to action for the create your own trip area, we have the text which you may want to edit between different itinerary pages. At the top here, again, we just have more text that relates to the layout of the content on the page. So again here, some of this information may need editing over time. Walk Unlimited are likely to do this, but may enlist you to assist in doing so. So for the most part, it may be a case of finding information on the public side of the website, understanding which content needs to be edited, and then coming back to the edit page in order to edit it. Once that text has been edited, then it's just a case of clicking update. For any further information on editing the pages of the website, it'd be best in the first instance to reach out to Walk Unlimited, as they've had more experience in editing these pages. But I hope this brief overview has been insightful to learn how the website works in a very modular way.